Claymont, Market Hook, Beckett around 4 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County, Staten Island, Essex County, Southeastern Bergen County, Bronx County, Manhattan, Union County, Northwestern Nassau County, Queens County, Brooklyn, until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near East Orange, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hoboken, East Village, Long Island City, Jackson Heights, Clearview Expressway, Little Neck, Elmont. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Nearly continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. When thunder roars, move indoors. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts and large hail. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage when you can do so safely to the National Weather Service via Facebook, or tweet us at NWS New York NY, or mail us at okx.spotters@noaa.gov. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, and Hudson, and the following counties in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island.
Here's a short-term forecast for the following areas in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Somerset, and Middlesex.